But you see how you have one extra?
Could be.
Alright, so we got one. But my question is this, wait 1 second. Because we're splitting up into groups of how many? 8. We're splitting up groups of 8. So that means it's going to be 1 and 1, 8. Because we're splitting it into groups of 8. I know yesterday I told you guys to keep the denominator. That was my fault. What I want you guys to do is, since we're splitting them into how many groups of what? 8. So that means the denominator is 8. Because we're splitting it into groups of 8 and we only have 1 out of 8. Make sure I hear that. It's the same thing as we did yesterday. But this time, we have to find the denominator. We have to find a common denominator. And how do we find a common denominator? By multiplying, finding the least common multiple. Alright, I need you guys to be paying attention to this part because this is where a lot of people have misconceptions on their exit ticket. The reason why it's 1 over 8 is because we have 9 12s and we split them into groups of 8 12s. So we got 8. Now we have 1 12 left. So because we're splitting it into groups of 8, we got 1 left. And we didn't get to finish a whole group of 8. So we put the 8 on the bottom as our denominator. Alright, what questions do we have on what we're doing right now? Wait, 1 second. Evan and then Katana. Go ahead, Evan. I'll help you when we go into YouTube if you want to. Butterfly? I'm not sure what you're talking about. I'll touch base with you on the Alright, this was example 4. Yes. No, don't do your uniform. It's not asking us for the uniform. It's only asking us to find the quotient. Can I have a volunteer tell me what is the quotient? How do we find what is the quotient? Yeah. Answer to the division problem. We're just finding the answer to the division problem.
How do you get 8?
I'm going to help you when we do the next exam. Alright. If you hear my voice clap once. If you hear my voice clap once. If you hear my voice clap once. Twice. 3 times. Thank you very much. I have Dave's attention. Thank you very much, Katana. I have your attention. Alright, you should be at level 0 voices. That's my point.
No, he just said, take your stuff, big girl.
I'll talk to you today. I'll take care of it. Hey, I'm not talking right now. Alright. Hey, what I need you guys to do next is for the next 5 minutes, I want you to try what we just did on exercise 1 on page S19. Exercise 1 on page S19. So I want you to go ahead and do exercise 1 on page S19. I'm going to give you a total of 5 minutes. And we're going to do this at level 0 voices. Level 0 voices. What questions do we have on what we're doing? Alright, go ahead and get started. S19. Thank you very much. Daviana is getting started. Thank you, Lene. So remember, find the least common multiple. Find the common denominator.
It's 8, though. No, you lied.
You got it.
It could be 4. 8 at the bottom. How you only have that say?
Yes, you can do 4. You can do 4. Alright, remember, we're finding common denominators. Common denominators. Okay. So what would be a common denominator? You got 4. So what did you multiply? Make both of them 4. Make both of them 4. Yep. Make both of them 4. There you go. So what do you have to multiply 2 to get to 4? So that means you multiply the denominator and... Yep, and... There you go. Make sure you follow on. Alright, so Keisha already finished number 1. You got about 2 more minutes.
You just give this
Yep, got it. Got it. Got it. I want you to look at your